Hi Tesla fans, it's Ellie and Oliver, and today we have a brand new DIY video for you on how to install our aluminum Model 3 and Model Y sports pedal set. So this is a really popular accessory. It's on our website. We sell them every single day around the world. But we wanted to create this video for you to show you exactly how you yourself can go ahead and easily install these in your non-performance Model 3 and Model Y. The reason why I stress non-performance is because if you have a performance car, guess what? Tesla already gave you this really cool accessory. They're made out of aluminum. They've got some kind of like rubber grips to it. And you know, this is strictly a cosmetic thing, but they look really cool. So we're gonna show you how to do it. Oliver's the expert. Let's get started. Okay, so as you can see, this is what the pedals look like on a non-performance Model Y, which is what we're working with today. The accelerator is just a metal pedal, but the brake actually has a rubber cover over the metal pedal. So Oliver's gonna go ahead and show us right now how we remove the rubber cover, if you will, over the brake pedal, and then how do we install both of these.
Okay, so first things first, you're gonna need two tools to install these. One's just like a normal flat blade screwdriver you've probably just got lying around in a drawer or something at home. And the next is a blade of any sort. I use like an X-Acto type of knife, it's just easier. And that's about it. So first things first, you've got to remove the brake pedal, the rubber on the brake panel. Now, I normally just grab from the top and pull the whole thing off. Some people struggle. So if you struggle with your hands trying to pull the rubber off, you can put this flat blade between the rubber and the metal of the pedal, and you can flick it round. So if you put it behind the rubber, you can flick it, you can see it levering off. Once you get it off, you can then see the back of the metal brake pedal. You can then leave this side, or you can just keep on pushing up on it and it will all come clean off. Then you're left with just the raw metal brake pedal ready to receive the new aluminum brake cover. Now we're ready to install the brake pedal and the accelerator pedal. So on the back, what I normally do to help stretch the rubber part over the brake pedal and the accelerator pedal, I get my blade, and there's it's like a undercut all the way around the outside. So what I normally do is I get the blade and I just cut it back to where the undercut stops, and then you've got this cavity all the way around here that you can peel all the way back, because otherwise it wouldn't be able to go in the corners, which is where you're going to have the problems. So you end up with this cavity all the way around that you can peel all the way back, all the way around. And I do that with the accelerator pedal, and I do it with the brake pedal the same way. It's just easier to put on, and believe me, you'll thank me when you get to the end and it's actually on. So now you put the knife away somewhere safe so you're not going to cut yourself. Now I normally start with the brake pedal because it's easier. So first of all, I get one side on, not either the top or one side, it doesn't matter which way, and you get it going. Then you get the flat blade screwdriver and you do the opposite of what you did to remove it. So you push it in between the rubber and the metal of the pedal, and then you peel itself back round. So what you're doing is you're putting it between the rubber and the metal pedal, and then you're peeling round like this. So you're going to be peeling this around the pedal, so it will flick around the metal. While you're doing it, keep pressure on the front, like push on the hold the pedal, the back and the front together, so the aluminum doesn't come away from the rubber itself. And that's the brake pedal on. Now for the accelerator, you do exactly the same thing. It's just a little harder because it's smaller. So you've got less room to work your way around. And there you go. Now you have the accelerator and the brake pedal, both with the covers on.
So that was pretty easy, right? 2 simple tools needed, tools that you have around the house, a flathead screwdriver, and a blade or a knife of some sort. Now, we have received some feedback from you guys that sometimes the aluminum trim plate separates from the actual rubber pedal. And if this were to happen, Oliver's gonna show you how easy it is to put it back together.
So all you do, you line the aluminum up with the rubber pedal, get it so it's sitting just about right, and then you push from the back in line with where the rubber would be, on this case the 3, and the same thing with the accelerator pedal with the 8 or 10 lines on the accelerator pedal. You push down on the metal and you push up on the rubber from behind, and you can see it's popping itself back in as it goes across.
So that's it. It's really that easy to go ahead and install our sports pedals in your non-performance car. Please leave some comments below. Love to hear from you guys what you think about these sports pedals. Think it's a cool upgrade or not? Regardless, thank you for watching. We'll see you again soon. We have so many more videos coming your way soon.